Alright, welcome back to Big Beautiful Traveling. Got another delivery from My Patriot Supply.com. Got a couple of their seed sprouting containers, a couple of their emergency can openers. I'll open this one and play with it this week, see how it goes. Got some dried broccoli, some mac and cheese, some home style potato soup, some creamy stroganoff, and barbecue baked beans. So that's my latest delivery from mypatriotsupply.com. They seem to pack everything very well, and they're very quick. I'm not paid for any of this. I'm not paid to talk about this, but this is, I buy the stuff and it's for me. Have a great day.